Good morning from Dharsula. This is where we stayed for the night. This was our hotel. We're late. I'm heading out. The things are packed. And we are heading towards Almora today. It's going to be a long ride. So this is the place where we stayed. This is the hotel right here. The bikes are packed, loaded, and everybody has left. I'm behind. I'll try to catch up now. So we have left. We're finally back on the road. Yesterday night was a little hard for me. I had a late lunch and I could not wake up on time today. People have left. They have gone further ahead. They are refueling and I'll catch them. I am at Dharchula right now, and just across me, just a second, let me show you. I'll wait for a moment till I get a clearer view. It has rained last night continuously and the roads are wet. Mud patches have become worse. Yeah, I'll get a better view from further ahead. The mountains you see in front of me, that's actually Nepal. Yes, this is a better view. The river actually acts as a border, and the town on the other side of the river is Nepal, and we are on the Indian side. This city is called Dharchula, and that's it. We'll be leaving from here today. Are in Dhami Gaon and we are ready to roll. So we are riding through roads of Dharchula. We're heading towards Almora. It's 8:45 in the morning and we are late by at least half an hour. We should have started early, but okay, never mind. Riding with me up ahead is Anjan Bhai. And that's Nepal on the other side, as I mentioned before. Okay, the road is in good condition, but in patches it is broken, and it's mostly going to be single lane for throughout the day till we reach Almora, and it's 220 kilometers from here, but we will be passing through many small towns on the way. This is a very busy route. We'll be having a lot of vehicular traffic, so we're expecting to be in Almora by 6 or 5:30 or 6 in the evening. Now let's see. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope we don't face any more delay. We don't have to face any more delays. No more obstacles. Barring this bad patches, I don't think there will be any problem today. except it's wedding season here, and we might just see some wedding processions in any of those villages will be passing today. All right, I'll see you on the road. So if you are in Dharchula and if you intend to cross over and go into Nepal, so there is a foot over bridge behind in the city where I stayed, and they are now constructing a new bridge for vehicular traffic. It's here, so it's blocked right now. We can see the SSB commandos there. I spoke with the property manager last night, and they say we can go over into Nepal and come back, but at 6 o'clock they do not permit to travel on the other side. So if you're planning to go over into Nepal, then you will have to do it before 6 o'clock. Like, plan in such a way that you'll be back in our territory before 6. Okay, slight confusion. There's our tail, Mohit. So this is the river that separates Nepal and India. And there have been some tensions over the past few months. Hopefully all of that will be solved in the near future. And we actually had planned to travel via Lippu Lake Pass, but it snowed for the last 2 or 3 days, or in fact for the last whole week. It has been snowing too much, and the army has denied permission for vehicular traffic and tourists to travel towards Lippu Lake Pass. So if you're planning to come via through some group, or if you are planning to come solo, then do check with the property owners or the places where you stay, or at local checkposts of the ITBP, and then plan your travel accordingly. Thank you. So we have taken a short detour. We might reach our property a little earlier, so we have some time to kill. So what are we going to do is we are heading towards Jageshwar Dham. So I've read about this place. It's an ancient temple, stone, and this is where you'll have to take a right. This is the landmark. So we are heading towards Jageshwar Dham. It's 3 kilometers. It's a nice place. I had read about this place, and it has been on my bucket list for quite a while. But now I'm finally getting to visit. I'm sorry. There's too much, a lot of mud and slush here, and I'm being a little more cautious than usual. Yeah. So this is the road going down to Jageshwar Dham. It's 3 kilometers. I'll see you once I reach there. So we are out here at Jageshwar Dham. This is the Jyotirling here, and this is a temple complex. The other end you could see a lot of these temples. This is the Mrityunjay temple, the original one. It's the original one. Okay, I stand corrected. This Jyotirling is the original temple. This is the Mrityunjay Mandir. Uh, hello. I'll try and take a. This is the temple complex. This is the Shakti Peeth. You can see there are a lot of shivlings in here, and inside of these stone architecture, This is the temple complex, as you can see from a distance. I wish I could shoot more, but I have to move as early as possible.
भाऊ
कुठून?
मुंबई. तुम्ही?
मुंबई, ठाणे.
अच्छा. बाईकने आले का?
हो, बाईकने आलोय. बाईकने आलोय. सगळ्यात ग्रुप आहे.
रेंटने घेतली का बाईक?
नाही नाही, स्वतः चालवून आलो.
एकटेच आहे का?
नाही, ग्रुप आहे माझा.
आम्ही पण बाईकने झालो रे.
अच्छा, चला भेटू. एक मिनिट.
किती टिक्की लावले मी?
तू म्हणत होता ना लावत नाही बघ पप्पाने जेवढं लावलं.
एक मिनट भैया. आ गया.
बाइक के पास मिलना, मैं बाइक के पास चल रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
अच्छा, ये लेके जाओगे बाइक के पास? ही वो इधर हेलमेट रखा है. 2 मिनट रुको, आ रहा हूँ मैं. Just had darshan at Jyotirling Jageshwar Dham, sorry. It was a surreal experience. We did miss out on the Kuber temple. So if anyone is planning to come to Jageshwar Dham, do also visit, take darshan at the Kuber temple. We missed out, but putting it out for the record just so that people don't. We are heading out now. We'll be going to Almora, where we'll be staying for the night. And और भाई कैसा रहा दर्शन?
एक नंबर.
चलिए, so we move.
हेलो सर, हाउ आर यू?
रह जाता आज कैमरा मेरा. So I actually entered the Mrityunjay temple first, and I was about to leave. Then I saw the Jyotirling Jageshwar temple, which is actually the original temple there. So I should have gone there first and then to the Mrityunjay temple, but never mind, you can do in whichever order possible. And this was my first time here, but I'm grateful for the darshan I had. It was a very surreal experience. And then there is traffic jam like this. It doesn't matter. I'm actually very happy today. I'm happy that I came here. I've been wanting to come to this place for so long, and now I did it finally. I'll make it a point next time when I come. I will also have a darshan at the Kuber temple. I'll see you guys outside. We are at Kasar Devi Mandir right now. You can get your vehicles up till here. Keep looking for a slight detour to the left from the main road that takes you to Bageshwar. Landmark would be right opposite to Stars and Pines Cafe.
सनसेट पॉइंट भी इधर से ही है।
I guess यहीं ऊपर से होगा.
क्या हुआ?
ऊपर यहाँ से भी एक रास्ता जा रहा है. And this is where you enter.
अगली बार कैमरा लेके आना गोप्रो
कोई बात अजर आप बहुत कह रहा कोई बात
यहाँ पे लिखा है देख पूरा ब्रेड के बारे में इसका फोटो निकाल चुंबक की
I'll be entering the temple now. I'll switch off the camera.
तो मैं तो वेट कर सकता हूँ भाई यहाँ ना नीचे बैठने ये है जगह बैठने वाली शूज बहुत दूर है यहाँ लाने नहीं देंगे
We finally reached our property in Almora last day. Thank you, sir. This is how it looks. This is the entrance. Hello, sir.
क्या बनवा के लिए कह रहे हैं
Bye.